A lot of companies want to be data-driven in the channel, but when they start marketing with partners, they have no real idea of how to use data. The first one is data on the partner. Now, because in manufacturing you are now seeing a revolution in terms of marketing, modern marketing techniques are being adopted by companies that have been traditionally creating print and direct marketing for their channel and for their customers. We really have to understand how those programs align to the partner who's selling that solution to the end user. The other area where you should look at data is customer data. And in particular, you should look at data that shows which buyers react to what. So, for example, at Ziff Solutions, we have over 10 years of data that we've been collecting on which campaigns work for what types of products and what types of customers. So if you can use this data to, for example, understand if I'm selling into a certain line of business, let's say logistics, and I want to make sure that I can align to that logistics buyer, what do they prefer to see? Do they prefer to act on a webcast? Do they take an offer right away? Do they maybe connect with social channels to get validation on a decision that they're trying to make? Campaign data is very important so that you can also start aligning the programs not just to the partner, but to the buyer themselves. The last piece of data is really around performance. And really here is where marketers have to challenge themselves and start thinking about marketing contribution. So understanding for every dollar I spend here, what is the contribution to the pipeline that I'm creating over here? You want to look at pipeline first, because once you pass the lead to the partner, it's in their pipeline, and what happens after that, marketing has less control over. So think about the 3 points of data. The first one being the data you can get on the partner to really align your programs to them. The data, both performance and buyer data that you can get from the buyer themselves. And then finally, that performance data on the overall marketing activity that shows you how well marketing is contributing to the pipeline. That's where you should start.